Okay, this is going to be for Libra for the next, let's take, I'm going to take 48 hours only. So this is going to be a short reading. I've already picked up the cards. I want to be quick and fast. So currently with the strength card, there is major resistance going on from both sides. I do not feel like either of you guys are communicating. Your person has been very much high on ego. This person is a very stubborn individual. For many of you, this could be a Leo or a Taurus. It doesn't have to be this particular two signs, but regardless of the sign, water, earth, fire, it doesn't matter. But your person has always been high on ego, always stubborn, not wanting to open up, not wanting to say things that they truly feel, you know. And currently with the strength card, I believe your person is resisting the temptation of communicating with you. Okay, in the past, however, for many of you, this person could have tried to get your attention in some which way by posting something or doing something, but you might have not given it to them, or even if you gave your attention, you might have said something which kind of you know freaked them out a little. Okay, so regardless of that, currently how I'm thinking of you with Six of Cups, this person is heavily thinking about you. If you have them in your thoughts, like you are thinking of them, they are also thinking of you. You know, you both are basically mirroring each other. You are both having your person on your mind 24/7. They have you on their mind and you have them on their mind. Okay, so that's something I see. They are thinking of all the good times, all the good memories that you guys have shared. You know, basically going through the past chat, rereading the past conversation if you guys have chatted a lot, voice notes, whatever that is. Okay, basically going through the past process, going through the past things that you guys have been a part of, all the good memories. Okay, in terms of their feelings, however, we have Queen of Pentacles. No matter what, this person cares a lot about you. Okay, no matter what they say or what they show to you, I do not know, but this person still cares a lot for you. Okay, with the star card, clarifying that it's not like they just care and do not love. This person does love you, but I believe that this person just does not love you, but this person wants you. But things have been very chaotic in this connection. Things have been very burdening in this connection. The reason why you guys are not talking is because you guys have fought, or there's some cold war going on. I do not know exactly. I have to figure that out. Give me a minute. I'm going to have a card with Four of Wands and Ace of Swords. You guys could not ever get to a very strong commitment thing, and I believe for some of you, for selected few of you, your person was also trying to communicate with someone else. Okay, so there was a third party interference that kind of freaked the connection out. You found out about someone, or you kind of got a hint that this person might be talking to someone, and you just went cold. Okay, for selected few of you, not for all. Okay, otherwise, what do we see the main blockage being? Why is the Libra soulmate not communicating? What's the main blockage? One card. So what's the main blockage between Libra and their soulmate? Why is the Libra soulmate not communicating or not willingly coming forward towards Libra? Okay, with Knight of Swords, your person is upset, but your person was also very in and out of your life in the past. They were not exactly telling you what's happening in their life. They were keeping a lot of secrets from you, not really giving you a basic idea as to what's happening. Only told you what you wanted to hear, and did not really tell you the truth. Okay, with Temperance card, for some of you, there was some sort of interference. It could be a third party in a romantic way, or in an unromantic way, like a mother or a sister or an ex who keeps coming back to freak, or basically sabotage this relationship. Okay, whatever it is, I still feel that this connection is not over. No matter who says what, you've been part of my channel for the past many months now. You know me, how I read and what I read. Okay, I still feel the love is still there, and love is still going to hold on. For now, I see your person holding back. Okay, so I do not feel there's a lot of communication coming in. I see you guys talking each other with the Seven of Swords, but still not communicating. Okay, so one card for what do they want from you now? What does your person basically want from you? What does your person basically want from you, Libra, for the next 48 hours? What does your person basically want from you? they want a new beginning. Trust me, that's so weird. In the past they could have friend zoned you or just ghosted you if they did not friend zone you, but currently they want a new beginning. But they are not telling you that. With the moon card, they are not expressing that, but they definitely want a new beginning with you. Okay, so let's take love messages from your person. Love messages from Libra soulmate. Okay, I fear you don't need me anymore. That's one message. I fear you do not need me anymore. Libra soulmate, what are they wanting to say to Libra now? Libra soulmate message to Libra, please. This person, for selected few of you, if you were a part of a third party, like they were married and they could not commit to you, they feel like you deserve better. If you clearly have an idea that your person cannot give you commitment, then for many of you, your person feels like you deserve better. Okay, I know this is a once in a lifetime connection. For some of you, you guys could be dealing with a twin flame. Okay, yes, I try to stay away, but I really can't. I keep thinking of you. Okay, so that was your last message. So this is a very short Libra reading. Many of you guys requested, so I'm giving in. I'm going to try to post more regular readings like for all signs. I'm going to be keeping all of you in mind, so please do watch that. I'm going to keep the Libra in mind, so please watch that. I'm going to put in a lot of energy into those readings, so do not really reject those readings. Try to watch them. They will resonate with you. Okay, so if you like this video, please do hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I want to get to 30,000 within next 2-3 days, so if you could reach me to that point, thank you so much. Okay, and see you soon, guys. Cheers.